Welcome to the biggest investment group of companies in Saudi and Gulf area. Welcome in most diverse activities such as general contractors, catering services and operations, commercial transactions and agencies, general military supplies, Dhahry supermarkets, restaurants and commercial marketing, Gulf Wagar branch for kitchen equipment, maintenance and operations, and more. Established and started its business in 1983 by the Saudi businessman Dr. Mohammed Dhahry, the founder and the engineer of this great and solid entity. Welcome to the group that has more than 5,000 employees with more than $3 billion investment.
Catering Operations and Services Branch Zahabco, one of the main branches specializing in executing catering, maintenance, and operation of hospitals, dietitian and catering services for military authorities, workers' block housing compounds, and medical catering of hospitals. This branch serves more than 120,000 a day and is considered one of the oldest branches in the group and classified as first grade. General Contractors Branch, very important branch which has multiple qualified technical and engineering teams. It works on executing development projects either for private sector or governmental in Saudi Arabia and the Gulf area. It has already executed many projects in the establishment of construction, roads, tunnels, in addition to maintenance, operations, and electrical projects, contracting in general. This branch is classified in more than 11 sectors. Among them is the first and premium degree. The number of employees in this branch exceeds 4,000, which consists of engineers, technical and worker teams. The Commercial Operations and Agencies Branch, one of the important latest branches which has started almost 15 years ago. Its activity crystallized in the commercial agencies for global, European, and American companies, in addition to supply and install electronic equipment and devices, medical equipment and its accessories, ambulance cars and communication equipment, as well as commercial agencies in both military and civilian sectors. General Military and Security Supplies Branch, one of the important projects working in commercial agencies for military and security equipments. This branch is concerned with supplying and installing all military requirements, starting from clothing and military uniforms up to equipment and special devices and supplies in criminal, biological, etc. In addition to military spare parts, supply and install security equipment and maintenance, as well as training. Supermarkets, restaurants, and commercial marketing branch Zahabco, one of the oldest branches of the group, and its prominent activity is to operate a chain of supermarkets, mini-markets, 24/7 services in Riyadh and other cities, and all requirements of fast food supplies to local market, in addition to fast delivery services. It has more than 12 branches in Riyadh, in addition to cafeterias and restaurants located in these supermarkets. Gulf Wagar for kitchen and restaurant equipment, one of the recent branches specialized in the supply and installation of all kitchen equipments from famous and global brands, as well as names in hotels, complexes, palaces, event halls, and local market. Its showrooms cover main cities of the kingdom and some of the Gulf countries. Al-Qaqa Guarding and Security Services branch. Security is necessity and merit. This branch focuses on serving our Saudi community in fields of security guards and security services. Security is a necessity and a merit in all its forms to general property facilities and official authorities. Supply guarding services to all private clients, residential complexes, civil ministries, banks, governmental authorities and institutions, money transfer, VIPs and elite, and personalities, as well as private palaces. All these services done by teams trained and equipped with the latest capabilities. Also, this branch provides training to guards and join them in training courses in addition to supply and install security equipments, providing security consultancy. The number of employees in this branch exceeds 3,000 and consists of guards, technicians, and a team to administrate operations at this branch. The branch of Dhahry Group of companies in Emirates, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. One of the important and recent branches that starts executing in general construction projects and investments in both Sharjah and Abu Dhabi, and many contracting activities such as building roads, electrical projects, in addition to local investment in manufacturing and hotel business. The branch of Dhahry Brown in Texas, Louisiana, and USA. One of the recent active and promising branches in energy, oil products, and processes, in addition to leasing and operating of medium-capacity refineries in 3 U.S. states, Texas, Louisiana, and Tennessee. This branch expands and develops rapidly and contains many of professional engineering staff.